to investigate the quality of UK waters and to raise awareness and drive action on water pollution. Hundreds of thousands of us flock to our local rivers and waterways every year. They've become essential for maintaining our physical and mental well-being. But they're not just important for us. Ecosystems and wildlife rely on healthy rivers to survive. So before we do any more investigating, I'm going to check out the Safer Seas and Rivers Service app, which maps water quality across most waterways in the UK. Okay, luckily the water is safe to go into today, but that isn't always the case. And spotting water pollution isn't as easy as you might think. Also, if your local river or coast isn't mapped on the Safer Seas app, after any heavy rainfall, as a general rule, you should allow 48 hours before going into the sea. Although this water looks relatively clean, the majority of UK waterways are actually polluted by a chemical cocktail of sewage, agricultural runoff and contaminants from roads, landfill and urban developments. Anything we flush down our loos can add to this cocktail. It can go into rivers and then the ocean. It's all interconnected. Usually after heavy spells of rain, water companies discharge untreated sewage and wastewater directly into our rivers using sewer overflows. Sometimes you can see sewer overflows, but they're often well hidden. The UK is consistently ranked amongst the worst countries in Europe for water quality. So much so that 75% of our rivers actually pose a serious threat to human health. Conditions include sore throats and upset stomachs, right through to more serious illnesses like gastroenteritis, E. coli and hepatitis. Poor water quality also affects wildlife who rely on these ecosystems for their survival. As a reminder, if you want to go into the sea, you should use the Safer Seas app or follow the 48-hour rule to reduce your risk of illness. We believe that you should be able to swim, surf, paddle and bathe in the water without the risk of getting sick. That's why it's so important to understand the flow of UK waterways from source to sea and understand how that affects water quality. It's also important to use the voice of your community to protect our health and the health of ocean environments.